Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to understand how to record multiple tax lapse items in TallyPrime application. And right now, we are going to create a new company in the name of V Solutions, which is located in the state of Telangana. And this V Solution business is used to deals in the goods of Nokia watches, which is falling under 18% GST. And this business also deals in Nokia mobiles, which is known as G20, which is falling under 12% of GST. And this business also deals in computer and PC and also laptops. And right now we are observing that is Dell XPS laptop. And this business also deals in projectors, that is Epson i9 projector. And this business also deals in solar panels, which may falls under exemption right now under development, so it is under 0% of GST. And right now we are going to create a new company in the name of V Solutions, and we are going to create all these products including name of item and also GST information of these products. Right, so presently in Tally application I am at company creation page, where you can enter the name of the company and address of the company and the state of the company, pin code, and so on. This page known as company profile. Right, so first I'll be creating a new company in the name of V Solutions, and just confirm your company address and try to finish your company address within 3 lines with same exit, because in the future we are also going to print our company logo next to the company address. It is important to keep it clean and clear. And after confirming the address, and just press enter, and here the system will be asking you to confirm the state, and just confirm the state and press enter. And here we are going to confirm our aerial pin code as well, and just fill your company profile, and directly you can just save it by pressing Ctrl+A. Then the company has been created. As soon the company will be created, automatically Tally will take you to the company features screen, where you can enable GST. Right, enable goods and services tax, yes. Ctrl+C. If your company is already created, then again press F11 and just go to enable goods and services tax, enable yes, and press enter on it. And here you can see now once again system is giving a chance to confirm the state that where we are from, and that's Telangana. Again just confirm your registration type, whether it is regular or composition. And again confirm your 15-digit GST registration number. Okay, that is 32. After confirming your 15-digit GST registration number, just press Ctrl+A to save it. Again Ctrl+A to save the whole company features. Right, so just now we have created a new company in the name of V Solutions, and we have enabled GST in this company. And before proceeding for recording vouchers, I wanted to create items first. Right, and for that, from Tally main page, just go to create and select stock item. As of now, I am not creating any stock group or any stock category. We will be focusing only on recording GST transaction, purchase and sales with multiple tax goods. Right, so presently I'm not just focusing on goods or category. We'll focus in further sessions. So directly I'll just go to stock item, and what was the first item name, and that is Nokia watch. The first item name in the first product name is that Nokia watch. And after writing the Nokia watch, and just press enter, and here system is giving a chance to select the stock group. As of now I just don't want to maintain, so skip primary. And here you need to confirm the measurement of this product, that how you are going to measure this product in the form of kgs, liter, number, meter, centimeter, what is the measurement of this product. So we'll be using Alt+C to create the measurement, that is NOS, and the formal name is numbers, and the unique quantity code as per GST is NOS numbers. And presently the number of decimal places is not required, and directly save the same. And also while creating a product, system is also asking what GST applicability. Yes, on the product GST is applicable, and set alter GST details, yes. Right, and here we need to enter the description, HSN number, and also the GST tax lapse. Right, when you install Tally application and whenever you open Tally application for the first time, actually you will not get HSN number. At the same time you also will not get central sales tax. Right, so when you just download and install Tally application for the first time, you will get this screen like this, without any HSN code, without item description, without central tax and state tax. And to get that additional information, application, in the same screen just press F12 and enable allow HSN details yes, and also enable show all GST tax types. So where you can see the description, HSN number, and also all tax types. The first, what is the description? The description is Nokia watch. And what is the HSN code of the product? 9102. HSN stands for Harmonized System Nomenclature Code, which is used to identify goods in GST. And SAC, Service Accounting Code, is used to identify services in GST. So as it is a good, we need to enter HSN code of this Nokia watch, that is 9102, and which is taxable under the rate of 18% GST. If it is non-local sales, then the taxes will be levied and collected in the name of IGST. If it is local sale, then the same 18% will be levied and collected in the name of CGST half and SGST half, right? And just save the pop-up box by pressing Ctrl A, and save the item by pressing once again Ctrl A. Now the item has been created and saved. Next we'll create another product, that is Nokia G20. So the product name is what? Nokia G20. Under the measurement of numbers and applicable GSTS, set alter GSTS, and the product name is what? Nokia G20. And what is HSN code? It's 8517, and that is taxable at the rate of 12%, and accept the same and save the same. And the third product that we have is Dell XPS. Dell XPS, that comes under measurement of numbers and enable GSTS, GST details yes, and here once again Dell XPS is the description, and the HSN code 8471, which is falling under taxable at the rate of 18%. And I'll be creating one more item, and that is Epson i9. It's a product, it is a projector, right? Epson i9, just enter under the measurement of numbers and GST applicable and set alter GST yes, and once again enter the details again, Epson i9, and HSN code of the product is 8528, that is taxable under 18% GST, and accept the same. And next I will be creating one more product, that is solar panels, and come under the measurement of numbers and GST applicable, set alter GST yes. Once again write the name of the product as solar panels, and the HSN number is 8541. And now this product is exempted or nil rated or taxable. If there is any product which is falling under GST tax regime and have a GST percentage higher than 0, then it is known as taxable. If there is any product which is falling under a GST tax regime but having a GST rate at 0%, then that is known as nil rated. If there is any product which is not attracting GST, then that is known as exempted. So as of now there is a GST, but presently the GST rate was 0. So I will be selecting as nil rated and just save the same. Ctrl A, save. Right, so out of 5 products, the 4 products are taxable and 1 solar panel products is exempted due to the development. Let's take an example. Due to the development, government announced 0% GST on solar panel. So how to treat that in Tally application? Okay, and after creating the items, I'll just come back to Tally main page, and you can review the same items by going alter and select the stock item, and where you can see the list of items, and where you also can alter the stock items. Okay, yeah, I'll just come back, and after creating stock item, before proceeding for recording vouchers of purchase and sales, again I wanted to make you understand that what are the common ledgers required for passing purchase and sales voucher. And the common ledgers are purchase account, sales account, CGST, SGST, IGST, and additionally we use even round off as well, right? So I'll just go to create ledgers, and first common ledger is that purchases. I want to declare my purchases in the trading account in the name of purchases, that comes under purchase account. And while creating purchases, it is asking about what on the product, on the purchases, is the GST is applicable or not. Of course on the purchases GST is applicable, but I'm not going to declare GST details because the GST details are already declared in the item level, so no need to declare in the ledger level. And as of now we are dealing with the goods and save the same. The second common ledger is that sales account. So sales account comes under sales account, and GST is applicable, but I'm not going to declare GST details now. I'm dealing with the goods. And the taxable ledgers are CGST, that comes under duties and taxes, and type of tax is the GST, and the subtype of tax for central tax, and the percentage of calculation is a 0. We already declared in the item level and accept the same. And next, SGST. SGST comes under duties and taxes, type of tax is the GST, subtype of tax is for state tax, and accept the same. And next, IGST comes under duties and taxes, and the type of tax is the GST, subtype of tax is I for integrated tax, and save the same. And sometimes we'll get paisa, we cannot pay paisa, or even we cannot collect paisa, so we used to round paisas to nearest 1 rupee. So for that we'll create a ledger in the name of round off, that comes under indirect expenses, and we use this ledger specifically for invoice rounding, and that too we use normal rounding. And if there is any paisa, I would like to round to nearest 1 rupee, so that is 1, and accept the same. Yeah, so we also done with the common ledger creation. We already created the list of items along with the HSN and also GST percentage details, and we also created GST required common ledgers, right? So now we are allowed to record purchases and sales in Tally application. Right now we have the first transaction, that is on 1st January 2022, purchased following item from Bajaj Electronics, which is located in the state of Telangana, and with invoice number 11475, and we are purchasing Nokia watches and also Nokia G20 mobiles, right? We are going to record the transaction one by one. So after creating common ledgers and items, directly I can just go to vouchers, and from the list of voucher just open F9 purchase voucher, and after opening purchase voucher, ensure just press F2 to change the date of the voucher. Right now the transaction is happening as on 1st of January, so I'll be changing the date as 1st of January 2022, right? I'm recording all this transaction in this business as in the month of January. Okay, and what is the first supplier invoice number? 11475 is the invoice number, and press enter. Entered. And here from whom we are purchasing the goods? We are purchasing goods from Bajaj Electronics, which is not available in the help desk. So in order to create the same, just click on create or press alt plus C. So I'll be clicking on create, and the company name is what? Measures Bajaj Electronics comes under sundry creditors, and while creating the party, confirmation of state is most important. So I'll be confirming the party state as well, and also need to confirm the party registration status as well. The party is registered under regular, and the GST number 36AAA CI 36AAA CI 6620 F1ZV. And after confirming the GST number, and just press Ctrl A save, Ctrl A save, Ctrl A save, and we already created a purchase ledger. So simply select the purchase ledger, and here press space bar, right? And here what we are purchasing from Bajaj Electronics, we are purchasing Nokia watches, and the quantity of purchase, we are purchasing quantity of 100 at the rate of 1090. In the second line, again space bar. In the second line, what we are purchasing again? Nokia G20 100 number at the rate of 25,600. So we are purchasing totally two products which are having the total value of 26 lakhs and 69,000. In the third line, if there is no items to be added, then press space bar and select end of list. As soon you are going to select end of list for stock items, automatically the path goes to ledgers. In the ledgers, we already created CGST, SGST, IGST. As we located in the state of Telangana, even Bajaj also located in the state of Telangana. As it is a local supply, as it is a intrastate supply, the taxes applicable are CGST and SGST, right? So before adding GST, the total liability was 26,69,000, and after adding the taxes, the total liability was 29,95,820. As the invoice value is more than 50,000, we need to generate even e-waybill as well. Okay, we'll discuss how to generate e-waybill in a separate session. So as of now, I'll just keep it now and save the same, right? And accept it. That's it. And now system is giving a chance to record second transaction, and the second transaction of the business is, on 11th January 2022, purchased following item from CAT Technologies Private Limited, which is located in the state of Maharashtra, right? So on 11th of January, so in the purchase voucher, we already recorded as on 1st of January. In order to change the date, just press F2 or click on F2 date, and here this transaction is happening on 11th of January 2022, and here the supplier invoice number is CTPL 101, right? CAT Technologies Private Limited, and enter, and here the party name. Presently the CAT Technologies Private Limited has not been created, so to create the same you can just press Alt plus C or click on create, and I will be creating a new company as Measures CAT Technologies. That comes under sundry creditors, and this party belongs to the state of Maharashtra, right? And I'll be confirming the 15-digit GST registration number of the company, that is 27, and just followed by the company's PAN number and all, and just accept the same, right? And as the party belongs to other than local state, right, we located in the state of Telangana, and this CAT Technologies belongs to Maharashtra, so as it is a non-local supply, as it is an interstate supply, IGST taxes are applicable. So I'll just keep pressing enter and enter. Again here we are purchasing Dell XPS totally 150 number of products at the rate of 45,000. In the second line again space bar, and we are purchasing Epson I9 the totally 100 number of quantity at the rate of 35,450. Again in the third product that we are purchasing is solar panels, and the solar panels is 100 number at the rate of 11,600, right? In the fourth line, if there is no items to be added, press space bar and select end of list. Again press space bar and select IGST. As it is a non-local supply, we need to add IGST. But I have a doubt that on solar panels how much of tax is calculated? No, solar panels is exempted, so there is no taxes calculated on solar panels. Still, if you wanted to view the data, you can just press Alt plus A from the keyboard, Alt plus A for tax analysis, and press Alt plus F1 to get detailed report. You can see right now here interstate purchase nil rated 11,60,000, that is for solar panels, which does not attract any GST, which is falling under 0. And there is two item interstate purchase taxable products are, one is Dell XPS, which is falling under 18%, and Epson I9, which is also falling under 18%, right? So there is no taxes applicable on solar panels, right? So after viewing the same, we can just save the same by pressing Ctrl plus A, and that's it. The second purchase also has been saved, right? And next we go for third transaction. The third transaction is about it's time to record sales. On 18th January 2022, sold following items to Sahara Enterprises, which is located in the state of Assam, right? So I'll just go to sales voucher by pressing F8, and the rate of recording transaction is 18th January. Again click on the date and change the date as 18th of January 2022. And here this time we are selling goods to Sahara Enterprises, which is not available right now, which is not yet created. So simply click on create to create the party as in the name of Sahara Enterprises. Sahara Enterprises comes under sundry debtor. As we are selling goods on credit, we should collect the money in the future. So all the debtor known as sundry debtors, and just come down and confirm the state of the party as Assam, as it belongs to Assam, right? And just confirm the 15-digit GST registration number of the company, that is 18. And after updating a 15-digit GST registration number of Sahara Enterprises, and just press enter, and we located in the state of Telangana, and we are selling goods to Assam party, right? And just press enter and sales, which is already created, and here in the place of name of item press space bar, and you will get the total list of items. And right now we are selling Nokia watches, we are selling Nokia watches one number of quantity at the rate of 1175, and again space and select the second product, and that is Nokia G20 one number at the rate of 31,400, and press enter. And again we are selling Dell XPS one number at the rate of 59,600. In the plus one line, if there is no items to be added, just press space and select end of list, and again space bar, and select CGST, SGST if it is a local supply. As of now, as it is a non-local supply, we located in the state of Telangana, selling goods to other than Telangana, so the applicable taxes are IGST. And if you wanted to see the print preview of this invoice, just press Ctrl plus P and click on preview, and this is how invoice look like. And to make it zoom, Alt plus Z, and again to make it zoom in, just plus, right, and this is how the invoice look like. And where you can see the tax bifurcation as well, and you can see the Nokia watches 9102 which is falling under 18% of GST, right? So this is how invoice look like. And just accept the same and Ctrl A for save. And we are going to record number 4 transaction, that is on 27th of Jan 2022 sold following items to Hindustan Enterprises, right? And we located in the state of Telangana, and now we are selling goods to the party which is located in the state of Delhi, right? So I'll just go back to sales voucher and press F2 to change the date as 27th of January. And here we are selling goods to Hindustan Enterprises, which is not available here right now. So press Alt plus C or click on create and create a party in the name of Hindustan Enterprises. And just press enter, sundry debtor, and the party state is Delhi, and just come down and confirm 15-digit GST registration of the company. And after confirming 15-digit GST registration number, and just press enter and accept the same, and just accept the same. And after that, we are selling right now Epson i9 one number at the rate of 44,600, and the second product that we are selling is Nokia G20 one number at the rate of 32,000, and press enter. And again the third product that we are selling is solar panels, and that is 11 number at the rate of 58,600. Once again I repeat, the solar panels is under exemption. So in the fourth line, if there is no item to be added, just press space bar and select as end of list, or again space bar. As it is a non-local supply, as it is interstate supply, IGST is applicable. If you still want to see the tax details, press Alt plus A and press Alt plus F1 for tax analysis. As you can see, still solar panels are under exemption. And even you can see the same thing on the preview also. Ctrl plus P for print and go to preview, and Alt plus Z, and here you can see solar panels falling under 8571 0% of GST. There is no integrated tax has been calculated, right? And just press escape and Ctrl A save. And as of now, I am not going to generate the e-waybill right now, and we'll go for another transaction. That is number 5th transaction is that on 31st of January 2022 sold following items to Vedanta Soft Solution, which is located in the state of Telangana. As the both parties are located in the same state, the CGST and SGST taxes are applicable. So as of now, the party has not been created. So again press Alt plus C or click on create, and I will be creating a new company. And again, after creating a new company that comes under sundry debtor, and you need to confirm the state, that is must and should. After confirming the state, just confirm 15-digit GST registration of the company. And after confirming the number, just press enter and again press enter, accept the same. Again here, as of now we are selling Epson. One number at the rate of 44,600, and we are selling Nokia G20 one number at the rate of 32,000, and again we are selling same solar panels 11 numbers at the rate of 58,600. In the last line, if there is no item to be added, just press space bar and select end of list, again space bar. As it is a local transaction, need to add CGST. Even if you add IGST has not been calculated because the applicable taxes are CGST and SGST, right? And this is how you just record multiple tax slabs items in Tally application. As of now, we are recording all registered parties, right? And after recording all the transaction, if you wanted to view the GST reports, and just click on go to and type the report name as the GSTR1 to view your sales data. When you record sales transactions in Tally application converts all the sales information into GSTR form number 1 tables. So if you once opens GSTR form number 1 tables as we recorded during the period of January, so press Alt F2 and set up the date as January and again January. So during the January we have recorded totally 3 sales. Yeah, the 3 sales are, one is Hindustan Enterprises and other one Sahara Enterprises and the third one Vedanta Soft Solutions. As all the parties are registered, so all these invoices is going to display in B2B invoices. And just to make you understand, I'll be recording another transaction, that is vouchers and F8 for sales voucher. In the sales voucher as on 31st of January, I'll be recording a dummy entry in the name of Kumar that comes under sundry debtor, and I'll be confirming the state of the party as Telangana, but I confirm the registration type as consumer or unregistered. Let's take an example as consumer and control A save, control A save, control A save, and again sales. Let's take an example. You are selling a 10 Dell XPS under and CGST and again SGST, and just control A save. As there is one party which is not registered in GST, that party data goes to table number B2C. So simply click on go to and type the report name as GSTR1 and press Alt F2 January and January, where you can see one party is going to display in table number 7, that is business to consumer small. And all your purchases data, just click on go to and type GSTR form number 2. All your purchases data goes to GSTR form number 2. So during the period of GSTR form number 2, you can see we have purchased totally 2 times in 2 parties. One is from Cato Technologies and other purchases we made from Bajaj Electronics, right? And this return we need to export and upload into GST portal. We'll discuss that things in the further session, right? So I hope you have enjoyed the session and you learned how to record multiple tax slabs in single invoices in Tally application, right? Thank you.